Berkley Gulp walleye jigging again this morning. Hitting the sunrise bite a few hours before dawn. Trophy hunting once again. Doing this a lot lately. Trying to find a big girl to CPR. It's like a skinny 16-inch male probably. Right next to me, area hit. Follow me up into the shallows. Real little guy. Yeah, 15 and a half, 16. Starting to turn on a little bit. It's not a hot bite though. Possibly because I crushed him last night in that last lures video. Yeah, another little guy. I don't know, I got a big female right off the bat yesterday. Not seeing any today though yet. Just little, well, I'm guessing are males. You know, just like last night. Pretty much all of them were this. Conditions are just perfect for this. Mid-fall, high water. These guys are all fired up. Yeah. Another small one. Still all keeper size though. It's probably a skinny 16 and a half, 17. That last one wasn't as big as I thought, but it was still a legal one. I'm guessing a little bit off this morning. This ain't as hot as it has been, but it's still not bad. It's 4 or 5 now. All legal. Haven't kept any yet though. I don't feel like keeping these 16 inchers. That one might be a little bit more than 16. 16 and a half maybe. Right around there. There's a fish. Feels just a little bit bigger. Maybe upper teens. Like 17, 18 instead of 16. Just a guess. Yeah, definitely would have limited out by now. That's 5 or 6 by now. So, it's a decent bite. No, he's not as big as I thought. Still legal size though. For sure. 16 and a half probably. Or 16. He hit it pretty good. Not keeping any of these this morning. Don't feel like it. Been limiting out every day. Cutting them up every day. I just feel like taking a break. This guy feels a little better. It's funny, I got so many that were 20 plus yesterday. Today, not even a single, I don't know, best one's probably like 16 and a half today so far. Out of like 6 or 7. A lot of little guys. Still keeper size, but small ones. This guy's lumbering in. He feels a little bigger. Not sure how big. I had 2 pop on me. Felt like small guys. It's just been a nice, slow, steady bite, but consistent. This guy's really lumbering in for not being against the current. I wonder how big he is. Doesn't feel like a giant, but he feels like a good one. Don't pop, baby. Come on in. Oh, he's not that big. Jeez. Mara must be getting sore from jigging all week. The best one in the morning, but he's not big by any means. He's just like an average one. Jeez. You know, 19 incher or so. That's probably a female. A little bit chubby. Just tell like their belly starts to like thicken a little bit. Those real thin ones are usually males. Real steady, consistent bite. Feels like a little guy hit right next to me. Yeah. Yeah, that one's probably 15 and a half or so. Same spot, another little guy. Feels light and wiggling. Yeah, they're a little male. If I keep fish today, I'll probably keep them out of another river later.